There's only one robotic cable management system on the market that you can take apart and repair, and today I'm going to take apart Triflex TRE and show you how to put it back together. Hi, I'm David Sandiland, Automotive and Robotics Sales Manager at igus, and today I'm going to show you how to disassemble and reassemble Triflex TRE. Triflex TRE is a unique product because it has a slit on either side that you can insert and remove cables, greatly reducing downtime. You can also disassemble and reassemble this product, removing links that have been damaged. To do this, you need a special tool designed by igus that is unique to each size of Triflex, so make sure you have the right one. To start, you have to understand where the tool will go. So we'll demonstrate that by using the end of the Triflex. You always want the ball end to be facing up, and you want to be looking at the back of the ball. You're going to stick the tool in either side of the ball, thereby creating a wedge, and you're going to roll the ball against the tool. For the purpose of this demonstration, I cut away some tabs to simulate some damage and to make it easier to see where the tool has to go. So to start, you bring the tool in on a 45-degree angle, and with just a little bit of force, you wedge it in place. Once the tool can stand up on its own, you have it in the correct position. You're then going to just move the tool forward laterally and over, thereby taking the link off. We'll do the same thing on the top part of the damaged piece to get it out of the way. Up and over. So the damaged piece is out of the way, and now we have to put it back together. And so we have a ball and socket design, as I mentioned before, similar to an RV or a trailer that you're towing, and you want to put the ball up inside the receiver. So you press the ball side link down and under the receiver side, and then you're simply going to push down on the receiver, pull up on the ball until you hear a click. I heard the click, but I just want to make sure that it's together, so I always just give it a bit of a tug in each direction and make sure that everything is in place. There you have it. The product is repaired and you're back up and running. For more information, click the link below in the description to see the Triflex shop. Like this video and subscribe to our YouTube page for videos just like this. Thank you for watching.